We have problems with the pit trap. So I'm going to connect the pit trap here. I don't know if this works. Okay. This is the pit trap. This is the pit trap. Connection for the pit trap. Okay, very simple only. Very simple action only. This one to make it perfect, so that it will not leak. Okay. Why? No leak, eh? Yeah, I'm connecting in the pit trap. This one first. Okay. Okay. The important thing is the thread and the thing is perfectly. There's no twisting a little bit. No, nothing. Should be perfect. If it is perfect, no leak. After that, this one. Okay. Okay. They remove this is because I think they are thinking maybe the problem is here, the flow of water, leaking water is from here. But it's not, it's in the water line of hot. Okay, and over here, now here also we have to lock this to the top. 1, 2, and 3. After lock, no more will be leak, no more leak. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. No more leak. Oh God, now this is what I'm saying. The problem is this. Okay. The water. So my friends thinking maybe the problem is here. That's why I think maybe they remove this. Now I just record it back. There's no more leak to happen. Because okay, now problem solved. Okay, no problem. Very issue.